Bridgerton was set in England, but what if you could live in Bridgerton by the beach? Welcome to 60 Ritz Cove, a gorgeous 5-bedroom, 6-bath home with an elevator next door to the Ritz Carlton and Salt Creek Beach. For some people, it's clothes. For others, it's purses. For me, it's moldings. I have to point out this exquisite entry to the office. Have you ever seen a more grand and gorgeous office entry? I mean, literally, look at the moldings around this door. These are done by Raymond Inkable, a magnificent molding maker, and they have used this in the most exquisite design detail going around the doorway, which closes to the office. This home is full of exquisite details. Notice the gorgeous egg and dart ceiling and the exquisite fireplace. Look at the scale of this fireplace. It's taller than I am. Master bedroom suite is dreamy. You have a huge sitting area, a large bedroom area, a gorgeous walkout patio and balcony that looks out over the ocean. And right there is the huge his and hers walk-in closet. And to your right is the very large his and hers ensuite bathroom. One of the wonderful benefits when you live in Ritz Cove is you get access to this beach gate, which leads you right out to this path. Behind me, this path leads to the Ritz Carlton. That's the bluff of the Ritz Carlton right there. Right there is the Monarch Bay Beach Club. Right there are the Monarch Beach golf links, and you follow this path around under Pacific Coast Highway to the Waldorf, Astoria. Thank you so much for joining me today at 60 Ritz Cove. It's a beautiful place to live, situated between 2 5-star resorts, and you can make treasured memories here too.